Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install fog lights on a TLX. The factory ones doesn't come with LEDs. They do, it comes with built-in LEDs and you can really change the bulbs after if it goes out. But mine, I got the eBay ones where like you search up TLX fog lights and these are the ones that come out with like the halo rings and the middle light. But they go out too. But I found another way where you could put it in. So you basically get 04 Toyota Camry fog lights and you could retrofit it into them. So let's start off by taking off the front bumper. Start off by taking out all the clips on top of the grille and then take this panel out. After you've done taking the top panel off, there's 4 10mm bolts right on top that takes off the grille. Under the car, there's this plastic clip right here, and then a few 10mm bolts. I don't know if you could see. Oh, there it is. Right there, right there, right there, and there's another clip on that corner right there. So if you didn't know, you could jack up the TLX right from the front in the middle from this tow hook right here. So there's a 10mm bolt right here, clip over here, and all around the bottom there should be just 10mm and clips, so take all of them off. So there should be 3 bolts that hold on to it, to the frame. Take those off. It's still a 10mm. Everything in this car is a 10mm. Turn the wheel all the way to the right so you could work on it on this side. There's one clip right here, and the other one's right under it. If you could see, it's right there. Take those 2 clips off. There's a Phillip head right here. Take that off, and that should be the last one. Pull this, grab it right here, and then pull it out. It's gonna make a lot of cracking sounds, but that's how it comes out. There you go. This whole thing should come out. And do the same on the other side. Completely forgot, if you have a license plate where the tow hook is, take that off or you won't be able to take off your bumper. So you could buy a fog light wiring kit from online, but since I did it before, I already have it. It's right here. But if you don't have that, just buy the fog light wiring kit. I'll leave a link down below. Then either wire it from your battery or somewhere in the interior. And I have my switch right here. I have 2 options, but I mostly use one. After that, make custom brackets. The one that goes over here, and there's 2 right here. You could find these in Home Depot, these brackets, and then just place your fog light over there. Make sure you have like 2 person, someone that goes in the front and tells you if it's centered or not. Like that, and like that, and then just zip tie to the bracket. But then you're gonna have to use this glue so it never comes off. And I have these LED lights that change colors. Where's the packet? It changes colors. So yeah. You have to buy H11 connectors because all the fog lights and the LEDs are H11. So you buy this and then use connectors and plug it into the fog light wiring harness. Make sure to use heat shrink so the water doesn't get in. After you've done everything, start connecting stuff. Make sure positive goes to positive, the fog light, and negative goes to negative. And make sure everything's clipped in. And just start putting everything back on the bumper. The wiring loom, make sure you tuck it under the bezels so it doesn't come out. And it just tucks in underneath. And there you go. Alright guys, when you put everything back